Good morning, guys. So what you see is our septic installer has arrived, and this is the big day. He dug test holes for us almost a year ago, and it's no fault of his. It's been our delays and our waiting for the right time to get this done, and he's now arrived, and we're going to get the septic installation started. The plan is today to dig all the trenches and also the location for the septic tank itself. And then I assume tomorrow he'll be back to drop in the tank and the leach lines. So he said that he's going to be digging a hole about 5 feet wide, 6 feet long for the tank, and then the leach lines will be about 3 feet wide and about 50 to 60 feet long. So let's just watch him get going. That was impressive. Talk about terrible timing. I gotta go to the dentist. I get back from the dentist, and what do you know, the contractor's not here. But I was soon to find out he was coming back with the tank for installation. It was moving along a lot quicker than I thought it would. When I saw Mike putting the level on the tank, I was wondering if that was just for my benefit. But I asked him, and he said that a lot of times the inspectors will actually check to see if the tank is level or not. Now that the tank has been set, it's time to get the trenches dug for the leach lines. They'll be 60 feet long and about 3 feet deep. The actual leach lines are 4-inch Schedule 80 PVC, and they are covered with a corrugated plastic half dome to prevent dirt and silt from infiltrating the actual leach line. Like so many things in life, it comes down to missing one 4-inch coupling. So the contractor had to run back to his place, which is luckily not too far from here, and grab a 4-inch coupling. He got a lot done. This guy works by himself, and he's no joke. He puts the work in for sure. So it's all set up, and hopefully we'll have an inspection tomorrow. Good morning. We just had a visit from the Cochise County inspector, and he took a look at the work that was done yesterday on our septic system, and he said you are good to go. I want to thank Mike Goodman for the great job he did here. He was a great contractor, really worked well with us. I also want to thank Derek, Handyman Howlett. Mike Goodman, the contractor, did smooth this whole area out when he was done, but Derek came by with his tractor and his box grader and put the finishing touches on it. So I want to thank him for that as well. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions about the septic system, let us know. Thanks again, guys, for watching. We appreciate the support, and we'll catch you in the next video.